Good morning again, YouTube. It's a blessed day. You know, so Mr. Stella, what do you say? We expect some. We expect some rain. Not a rain, storm, but the storm not come true now. But more you watch the one now. Watch the one. You see the one there? What the can against the fridge, YouTube? I want to see it. You hear them say, if you not go so, in here, so. The one name, if you not go so, in here, so. So we don't talk about enough little things, but we talk about if you not go so, in here, so. That goat there, I have to get rid of that goat now. That goat should have give me kid, but it might give me foot problem. Every time she having a foot problem, that goat there. That goat, see him there? So yesterday another day I feeding out, give thanks and praise. When I get more to get better. My little lady foot to get better up, I should be in back it in the shoulder so she can walk on it better. See? So we are going to feed out this morning YouTube and talk up over something. But the one name, if you not go so, in here so. The one that we are talking about. Sometimes I hear some things and only when you experience you really know. So you go so. Out, out, out. So yes, we don't get the storm down on the west. I don't know if it come now in Jamaica, but on the west we don't get the storm. But the thing about it now is that we're getting upper water same way, you know. So we are see what go on and we are take it easy and we are look on them go to where if you have kid. Hopefully we not send down go to bush now if you have kid and have kid at bush now. Although the one they look YouTube. The one they look like Michelle carry back home. Also she not have kid yet. But she have to go out because water we have to wait till the water ease up. So far if we get them go to in action again. Me Taggy me have to chain her up, man. She go every day. Taggy high. Yeah. So I chain up Taggy because Taggy I go every day, you know. I run here at the time and I don't like people poison him because you know how people stay? People will poison him. But I will say if you not go so in here so. Why I want to say if you not go so in here so. You see the ram I say look one is a ram where I get through the system. Through the what? Through the system. Yeah man, I get him through rather. That's why I encourage young farmer. Look how much goat you have. Try to get registered. I understand? Because if you're not registered, you're not involved in the system. So I get a ram through rather. Good ram. Yeah, get registered. The MP, check the MP send him through rather to me. So if you check the MP for something, you have to have a rather connection. Understand? You have to have a rather connection. I need to check the goat the foot, you know. But time is against me. Because today again I have to work on my car. So time is against me. I just babysit. And baby go and sleep. So goat I go to feed out. But the part where the near circle so we want to talk about. Me not scammer. But I hear say, you know, some scammer. Right now I see a scammer dead and I can't understand how I'm dead. You know, the man them has them start make money start buy bike and ride like they are the biggest vehicle on the road. That is not right. I understand hold your side of the road. As a driver I'm afraid of bike more than truck. I understand I don't know about the next driver but I'm afraid of bike more than truck on the road as a driver. Because man a wheelie without respect who are come around them something there. So you know I get afraid of them. But the part with me understand, they must say oh sacrifice on them something there. Me I wonder if them real, them something that really real. Because I see by man, young man are dead out, simple dead. You know, simple way. Things you can avoid. Man just get buy bike, new bike, dead bam, eh? No man. Me I wonder if I saw it go for true. If the scammer them. When I see them tears are on terrible something else when people start cry, it will cost you, yes. So me I say if you scam, I get a one blind, turn it into something good and come out of the system. You understand? Don't make people tears start continue run for you, because when people tears start run for you, it's like you destroy your own self, you destroy your generation, you're dead before getting a youth. You're dead before you even have a seed. You understand? A seed. You know what is a seed, man? Something left behind, say a fear. Continue your name. it is good to have a seed. So, you know, look for my seeds, look for my goat them. All them white and brown goat here come from one ram when I sell when I buy first ram, you know. And look upon the generation of them. Look how beautiful they are. You understand? So youth, please me I beg you, please, if you are scam, take a money and stop now. Do something with the money now because actually you want the money make you do it. Yeah, me say so. But me don't know if that's your intention, but you have to have good intention. And that's all much better you want so you want better yourself because you grow up poor and your people them poor, so you don't want to stay poor. So you say, alright, you gotta do something. So me not saying, yeah, alright, you do it, you get through. Turn it into something good. Instead of you continue, because if you continue, I want to continue upon you, you know. Master man, you know if you see I'm on the age, man. Brother, look at it, man. Take care of your family. You need that, yes, but you need to left one grand pitney give your mother. Instead of your dad left him without nothing. Or if you even dead left pitney, them not to know who and daddy. Can go see your palm picture. Hey, careful how you ride the bike. The road is bad in Jamaica, we know that. Everybody know that, yo. Everybody knows the road bad in Jamaica. And you know say water, especially in them rain time, you know, like them September, yeah, we have a whoop of water on the road. And big truck a drive and car, fast car, I run around the place. Because you see them scammer drive fast car, and remember, don't forget that. You understand? Reckless driving, reckless riding. I cost too much life on the road in Jamaica. Please, me I beg you know. I'm afraid to send my children to shop. So I have to start make one big shopping for a weekend and keep it. Because I'm afraid to send out my youth to shop. You understand? I'm afraid to send my youth to school. Can get a bounce on a school gate. Yo, fire, please, me I beg the Adam, please, T&B, I tell you, please, find something do with the money where you scam and get, man. Cause some, yo, when me I did the drive bus and I say nothing happen for me and nothing go on, I decide I throw my bus pants. I say, yo, a bush, me go drive goat. Me go run goat now a bush. In my bus pants. And it get tear up and all, yes. But me see something, a way of my life can make a difference and I can make a difference. You understand? So me I tell the eye them, you get a scamming money and you feel nice. Invest it in something that you know have to continue the same trend over and over. Because police are going to look for you. And your life now go because people are pray for you. And when people start praying for you and they ball for you, you know, say that come for you quicker than even. Yes, we did there. Yes, we make, yes. That will sure say that we are going dead. Yes, we know say we are going dead. But some people dead before time, you know. It's hard to say it, you know, hard to believe say yes, they're dead before time, you know. But to the system and to the way it go on, it look like that happen. Because young youth, them a youth and not see no future rasta. Them youth are dead out before time and I beg the youth them, please youth, put on the bike them. And if you even want bike, how one cover bush where you ride go look for. And you learn to ride because slower. You understand? You see purpose of your bike. Instead of you wheel it and mash it up and drop it down and break up your foot. Enough man ride bike for years and never get a broke foot. So, you know, seek knowledge, man. Look on them man the way I ride and live so long. You know, instead of see great bush, a great bush. A great bush is saying, take some of my money and buy some of my cow them, yo. Mad cow disease is kind of shake up Jamaica and see right now Jamaica need back cow. You understand? So mad cow disease is shake we up. So true we shake we up. We need investors. Youth invest in something in the place in more and buy gun and buy bike and fast car and kill yourself and make your mother moan. And my mother, you're deadly for parents. You're not going to be deadly for parents, you know. And this is a natural sickness. What this is not natural sickness, it's a disease of scamming, disease of hyping, disease, then disease they are kill off the youth them. And I beg you them every day, I say, youth, find something in the bush do. If you can rent a building, because renting a building to do a business is very expensive. I know, so I tell you, say, nobody first if you can rent a building. But we're not paying a rent for the bush. And part to live, even your doorstep you can tie something. So even if you tie him up on night time and let him go a daytime, you're not paying no rent for the bush. Invest. Right now, no chicken that we there in Jamaica. I don't know how we know they are as youth. They are earn big money and they scam big money. Now invest in one little egg hatching machine. You know? Get some layer with the rooster and start create some chicken. Create something now, youth. Use up your brain. Create. If you can't catch the stage where you can con a man and con him out time clothes and take all where him have. Create something, man. Create something. Create a factory of something. You don't need the government to make a factory, you know. You don't need the government to make no factory. You as youth can come together and say, yo, brother, we're going to build up one little building, and guess what? We're going to do with it. We're going to buy some machine, or we're going to look on YouTube and some, we can create a machine for hatch egg. And we start hatch some chicken. Because see right now, them say, we can't get no boiler. Look at that. And if you did try something, you could have supply you could have gone billions a year. Billion a year in a known time, because you have something that people need. So create youth, rise up and stand. Youth, may I talk to you, know, and may I beg you, know, I say rise up youth. T&B say love until then. See you in the next video. One love, one heart, one destination. Thanks for subscribe and thanks for watching. And please keep it alive. Keep yourself safe. Because one of them say wash your hand and keep yourself safe is the best and distant away from mankind. But we need to talk to each other, said we, you know. So if anyway we talk even to the media, but we talk. You understand? But we have to get it together. Black people, black youth, Jamaican and a whole. Watch your life and watch your country and where it go now. Blessed. Come like the video can't done because me have too much to say. But in the next video, love you.